Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video we're gonna be doing a mukbang. So what it is like you like buy all this food and you just eat fun of the fucking video, I think, right? Yeah. So for today's video we picked McDonald's, and all of these food are from the $1, $2, and $3 menu. So we bought everything. So yeah, look at all this food. Oh my god, I don't even know how we're gonna eat this.
All different burgers, man.
Yeah, all different. And I am starving, and I haven't ate since like yesterday, and it's like, what time is it? It's like 6 o'clock in the afternoon right now, so it'll be interesting. Maybe we'll finish it, maybe we'll not. We'll see.
We even got breakfast.
We got breakfast, everything.
Got
so this one.
Chocolate milk, fat free. So this is what I'm drinking.
So yeah, here we go. You guys ready? Because we are ready to eat. Because they're getting.
I already started.
Oh, they're getting cold.
Yeah, the fries are getting cold too.
Okay, here we go. Oh my god, they're getting cold. Okay. So good. So yeah.
Give me the chicken.
Excuse me. Cheeseburger.
Well, give me a hat. Well.
No. Cheeseburger.
Ah man, you got pickles?
I never liked cheeseburgers until like my friend took me it.
You want pickle? Oh, it has pickles. You want them?
And my friend brought me here, and I tried the cheeseburger, and it's so good. I was like, why haven't I tasted this before?
Cool.
Cristela. Because she got like this one time, and I tasted it, and it was so good. I was like, why haven't I tasted this before?
So that tastes different like as the Big Mac and stuff like that?
Yeah, taste it. Well, you wouldn't like it because it has pickles in it.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Like
I'm not a big McDonald's fan.
Yeah, we don't. It's messed up because like
I know there's a lot of people that are gonna say I thought he eat healthy, but this is like a one-time thing. So I mean, you gotta have like your cheat days, I guess. Okay, so
cheat day with 10 burgers in front of us.
Yeah. Well, you gotta enjoy yourself sometimes, you know. So
enjoy life.
Yeah. So
that's my motto. That's why I eat out.
Cause you always gotta have a balance.
Yeah.
Like can't eat same things all the time. So.
Cause that'd be boring.
Oh yeah. Weird for you, the kids.
Oh yeah, we got a kids meal too. Oh my god, I'm so happy to open it. I haven't had a kids meal since like I came to the US. Like when I was 12, I think that's when I got it. Yeah? I used to eat McDonald's all the time when I came to the US. I would like literally want to eat it every day. And I got so fat from it. It's so bad. You did? You didn't get fat though, right? It's because I think he got like really good metabolism. I think that's why he never got fat.
I didn't eat it that much, but I did get a little bit fat.
Yeah.
Aaron got really fat. Yeah. Got like big cheeks and stuff.
That was me. I got so fat. And then my like tummy stretched out so bad that it had like red marks, like red stretch marks. It was so bad. I know it's bad. McDonald's so bad, but it's so good.
Dude, when I was little, I would like to go to McDonald's a lot. But it wasn't especially because of the food. It was because the play thing they have there.
Oh, the playground?
Yeah, like
You guys will play over there?
Yeah.
Aww.
Cause when you live, you just because I used to love like rice and all that stuff. Yeah.
And you guys would eat Happy Meals?
Just burgers. I mean, that's number one, number two. Just a meal. But sometimes we would just went to play. We just joke. We would just go and play, and that was it.
When you guys were in New Jersey? No, I didn't go for the playground. I went for the food. It was so good. It was like a culture shock. You know, like where I came from in Mongolia then, there were no McDonald's whatsoever. Like nothing. So it was like a, damn, like what is this? It's so good. What they're made out of, I don't know, but it's so good. You know?
Well, when we used to live in New Jersey, we used to live behind McDonald's. So we just went walk.
That doesn't help. That's so bad.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Oh, wow.
I think that's why Aaron got fat.
But you
But
did.
yeah, I just went. I think he went for the food. I went to the play.
But McDonald's so good. And we don't usually eat there a lot either. Obviously not, but
Back then,
sometimes once in a while it's good, McDonald's. Like, you know.
back then I used to eat more like pizza. We used to love pizza with ranch and
I don't like pizza. Guys, I don't like pizza.
Yeah, now I don't eat that much pizza either.
When I came to the U.S., this is all like ties back to when I came to the U.S. When I came to the U.S., there was like food shock. Like I never tasted all these foods, you know. So I tasted like, oh my God, it's so good. And then pizza was one of them. Like me and my parents, we would get pizza every Friday. Taco pizza from Casey's. And we would eat that every Friday.
I don't like that pizza. I used to, well, I love the taco pizza from Pizza Hut. Which is, they took it out. I don't know why.
Probably nobody
So
bought
now
it.
I don't even eat pizza anymore.
I don't like them. I'm just so tired of it.
That's what I used to get when I used to eat Pizza Hut.
Taco pizza?
Last time I tried to get it, they said they don't have it anymore.
No.
So, there goes for pizza.
Maybe nobody buys it anymore. That's why they stopped selling it.
I think it was really expensive too. Well, I mean, it was just the expensive pizza they had.
One done.
The fries are cold. I have to warm it up.
I warm this up too. Okay, what's next? The faster you go, faster you get to pick out the burger. Okay, I'm eating McChicken next.
Mike chicken?
Mike chicken?
Mike chicken.
My chicken.
Yeah, we
Oh my
just
God.
love all the time.
And this is so bad.
Spicy Mike chicken.
Because I started working out last week and then we're doing this video. I'm getting full already. What do we do? Okay, you ready for some questions?
A lot of fat and carbohydrate and
A lot of goodies. And then, if you guys want any other like place where you guys want us to eat, just comment below, and we'll do that video. Cause this is nice, like eating all this food and just talking.
eating.
And eating and eating and eating.
Okay, so now I'm going to eat. Oh shit, triple cheeseburger.
Is that your second one?
Yeah.
I'm almost done with my second one.
That's a good
I
one.
need to catch up.
Got pickles too though. Damn.
Okay, I'm getting so full.
You burning your second one. I look at all this people.
You have 5 more left or what? Okay,
I don't think we're gonna finish it.
let's ask questions. Okay. What is something you always wanted to try but always been scared to?
Sky jumping.
Same. Me too.
But now I was thinking about
Something happens with
how you
the
call the
parachute?
Yeah.
Mhm.
If that shit don't work, you end up like a damn tortilla down there.
tostada.
I don't know if I want to risk it.
That's what I'm saying.
It's
Just like the same with the roller coaster.
yeah, roller coaster. I love roller coaster. You know, I love to go.
He used to. And then I started showing him all
Well,
this
I would
like
still go. I just I don't.
and I started showing him all these like roller coaster videos, like how it's all like, you know. And
I've seen it too. Everywhere. You can see all the social media. Everybody's getting killed by this shit's coming out and
exactly.
everybody can.
After seeing that, you're like, I don't know if I want to get on it. What?
Just way too many accidents.
No. Like one time, there was this little like roller coaster. The German dragged me in. Oh my god, I almost died. I was like screaming so loud, so embarrassing. Really, everybody was like looking at me because I was like
You were crying.
screaming bloody hell. Like I was like crying and I was like telling him like help me and like I want to get off. It was so embarrassing, but at the moment I was so scared. Like I didn't care what they thought, you know. I was like, I just want to get off of it. This is not what I. No.
I didn't think you would get that way.
Yeah, German regretted right after. It's like I shouldn't have took you on there.
I'm like, I guess you don't like roller coaster.
No. And then after that, he got the idea that I didn't like roller coasters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I eat all the chicken. It's just the bread. 2. Oh my, I'm so full.
Maybe because you're drinking too much soda.
You're at 1.5. I'm probably getting full too. Look at you. Mm. Okay. Next question.
This probably would be the first meal and last meal of the day.
What ridiculous thing has someone tricked you into doing or believing? I'll go first.
I don't know.
I don't know if you guys heard about Shane Dawson. I watch him all the time. So on his conspiracy theory videos, he talked about how Earth is flat. And he like gave out all these facts. I was like, oh my god, is Earth really flat? Because it really makes sense. You guys should watch that video. I was like, it's ridiculous for believing that, but obviously Earth is round. But it's really, like at that moment I was like, really thought about it and thinking about it. I was like, maybe Earth is flat, but think that was the most ridiculous thing that someone had me believing. How about you? Aliens? You believe in aliens? Oh, Bigfoot. German thinks Bigfoot is real.
No.
Yes, you did. Remember that? Or not anymore? Because I remember like a couple years ago.
I just watched that show just to watch it. But
so there's not a single chance you think they're real.
No, I don't think so.
No? Okay. Well, he said no.
I do think in aliens though.
Hmm?
Believe in aliens.
Oh yeah, I do too. Okay, you guys, we're gonna open my Happy Meal box. I'm so happy to open it. You wanna open it together?
You don't deserve it.
Why?
You're done already. I deserve
I'm not
it.
done.
I'm still eating.
I'm not done. I'm gonna eat this one. I'm gonna eat this one.
I deserve the toy.
No.
No, you can keep that one.
We got a flying disc. Oh my god! That is so cute! Oh my god, guys! Look at this mini.
See, I thought we had to have it without that thing you did. It would be true.
This is so cute. Oh my god. You eat it.
They're all cold. Everything's going out.
Look. Let's see if it works. Yep, it worked. Okay. What else is in here? Hamburger. Ugh.
Apple.
Apple. This sounds good.
I need some ketchup.
Doesn't even taste like apple.
You don't like the apple?
Okay.
Huh?
It doesn't have a taste. Is it? Okay. You ready for another question? Would you like to be taller or thinner? That's an easy one. You want to be taller, right? No?
Maybe back then when I used to play basketball.
But not right now. You don't want to be taller now?
Mm.
Why?
Why is it no different?
I'm so full. Guys, I'm so full. I can't keep going on. Come on, you got this. Only 5 more to go.
5 more what?
Burger. Take it for the team.
5 more bites.
He's getting full too. Oh.
This is milk in out.
That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. That milk is healthy. Pure sugar.
Says fat free.
Okay, for me, I want to be thinner, obviously.
Cheeseburger. Want a cheeseburger? No? What is that one? Cheeseburger too or what?
No, just hamburger.
It's the same thing. Without cheese. There's a lot of cheese in this.
Ready for another one? What celebrity would you rate as a perfect 10?
None.
None? Not even J-Lo?
But perfect 10, I was like, you mean as a...
Like as a person. Like everything. Like for you.
None of us are perfect, so I don't know. Right? That's the way I think. So I don't think I'll name nobody. Okay.
Me. You should say I'm perfect.
Okay, you at 10. You at 11. Okay.
Better be. Okay. What's a body part that you wouldn't mind losing? We don't know.
It's a weird question.
So someone was like, "Yo, like, I give you $1 million. What? You have to give me one part of your body. Well, which one would you give out?"
My nail.
It's not part of your body. So
It
it's
is
just
part-
like this.
No, my nail.
So your fingers.
It's my nail.
No.
No.
It doesn't work that way.
No.
It has to be from your body. So your hands,
There's no
your
way. No.
fingers, your toes. I think I would tell him to take my toes away.
For money.
If they give me $100 million, $100,000,000.
I don't know.
No, you wouldn't. If someone was like, "Yo, I give you $1,000 million, $100 million," you wouldn't?
It's like selling your soul for money.
How is it soul? Your soul is so much different than your body part.
Because you're still doing it for money. You
Okay,
and the part that God gave to you that everybody would like to have.
Okay, let's just
And
say
you just said,
I'm like falling off a cliff and you have to lose some part of your body to save me. Yeah, I made a little bit not bad. Just have to do it for money. You have to do it for me. What would you do?
I guess. I don't know. You gotta do just one middle little toe. I don't know. Instead of getting using that, then you can still walk.
Yes, you do.
With the other ones.
That's your balance. Your toes are
Yeah,
your
but
balance.
if you cut like, you know, one of the middle ones, you can still. You know,
I guess. The middle toe?
Yeah. Well, not the middle.
No,
toe,
mine?
I
I lose a finger for you, baby.
Huh? Finger? No? Is it? Is it finger? Thought you gonna be
Finger
like
or
an
toe,
arm
whichever.
or, you know, everything.
Oh, calm down. That's too much, no. Come on. Keep going. Because I can't do it anymore.
I think I'm done.
How many did you eat?
I think it's just my second one.
Oh my god, I'm so full. I'm done. You have to give up.
Okay, I'm done.
Guys,
I'm just done.
we let you guys down.
Oh.
I thought we could do this, but it's so hard. German, we're such losers. We didn't do this challenge.
Huh?
We
Challenge.
didn't beat it.
Oh.
Oh,
Well, I didn't really. I knew I wasn't gonna eat all that shit.
you knew?
Yeah.
Well, that's why we failed.
Well, I didn't challenge myself doing that shit.
I was challenging myself, but I can't do it anymore.
Yeah, I can't do it anymore.
This was too much. About to go and take a nap right now. So are you done? You guys, we give up. It's done. Can we go take a nap? I'm so tired.
You just ate.
Stay up for 30 minutes and then take a nap. That sounds good. Yeah.
No. Because then I don't want to go to sleep at night.
It's okay. Tomorrow's Sunday. Alright guys, I think we're gonna close out the video because we couldn't handle this challenge and we can't eat all that. We have like what, three burgers
let's show
left?
them what we got left. We got
sausage McMuffin, sausage McGriddles,
whatever.
bacon
four.
McDouble,
Got 4.
another fry.
We got a full fry. Well,
Mini fry.
1.5 fries. And that's it. That's everything.
Yep.
Yep.
So yeah.
So yeah.
I ate 3 burgers. German ate only 2.
No, well, I ate chicken strips too.
Okay, chicken strips is like a 2-piece of French fries, so it doesn't count.
French fries, no, it's not. It's a big chicken strip.
Okay. Well, I won.
No, we
So
lost.
you-
We lost
Okay,
against
we lost.
the food. So,
It's okay.
yeah.
We'll do better next time for our next food video. Hope you guys enjoyed it because we had so much fun doing it. And it was delicious. Even the French fries are a little cold, but it's okay. We're just still for it off.
Yeah, I am ready for a nap.
I'm like in coma.
You can go ahead and chill and yeah, maybe
Yep. So
sleep later on.
thank you for watching and we'll see you for our next video. Bye.
Peace.